Hi, I'm Ella. I'm a web designer. I pay close attention on what makes people click and what makes people leave. That's why every site I design is focused on clarity, trust, and action. So, what exactly do I do? Well, instead of showing you all of this, I only show you what matters. Instead of this, a slow, cluttered site with no clear goal, I created this, a fast, focused site to help visitors take action. Instead of this, I give my clients this, a trustworthy site that's fast, compliant, and ready to convert. Nicer, no? I focus on analytics, conversion psychology, and research because I want your site to work as hard as you do, even at 1 a.m. Every visitor that comes to your site has 3 questions. Did they come to the right place? Is this for them? And can they trust you? My recent client, Alex, doubled his leads and even landed clients during his off-season. And if English isn't your first language, je peux aussi travailler en français. Daj ma vojmørski døsken eller swamex. So what would you like simplified? If it's your site, hire me. I'll make it simple.